Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, I'm answering the question, what is an annuity replacement form? Okay, so a lot of annuity business in the United States is replacement form, is the replacement of a previous annuity. I've said this before in other videos. I've been doing this in the annuity space for 18 years. I've worked for the insurance company, training the financial advisors. I've sold direct to consumers. And what I can tell you is, in addition to that, we have the largest selection of annuity products in the United States, and there are way more garbage annuity products than there are good annuity products. And a lot of financial professionals sell garbage annuity products. So we get emails all the time or calls saying, hey, my annuity sucks. It hasn't been doing well. Can I replace it? Okay. And we say, well, let's talk about your situation. Let's just see if it's a suitable replacement. Right. And you get to the point where you're ready, you've made a decision like, hey, I need a better annuity, whether that's for higher income or more upside or a bonus or a better death benefit or more liquidity, better index, or maybe I want to get out of the market and stop paying hefty fees in a variable annuity. And I want to get into a product where I don't lose money, right? There's all different types of reasons why you would replace an annuity, not just because the annuity product that you had previously sucked, right? So when you get to the application process, there's going to be what's called an annuity replacement form. This is a suitability form that the insurance company's suitability team requires you to fill out. And for those of you that don't know what the annuity suitability team is, there's a team of employees within an insurance company, and they're gatekeepers. And basically the gatekeepers decide whether the annuity replacement and sale is suitable for the insurance company and you, the consumer. So for those of you that are consumers watching this video, understand that the purchase of an annuity is a two-way street. It's not a one-way street. It's not the customer's always right situation. You have to feel warm and fuzzy about purchasing the annuity, and the insurance company has to feel warm and fuzzy about selling you that annuity. And so this team's job is to make sure that you are going from your old crappy annuity to a new, better annuity, right? If you purchased any, and I know I keep harping on a crappy annuity. I want to go over a timely thing that's going on right now. We're in a high interest rate environment. If you purchased an annuity prior to 2021, there is a high likelihood that replacing your old annuity with a new annuity makes a whole lot of sense, because you were in a low interest rate environment. Now we're in a high interest rate environment. So your income payouts are lower, your upside was lower, your interest rate ability was lower, your liquidity was less, your death benefit could have been worse. There could have been all these things that were worse compared to today. Doesn't mean that it was a crappy annuity. It just means that you purchased it in a lower interest rate environment. Interest rate environments dictate the bells and whistles on a lot of the annuities. So I'll give you an example. We had a client come in 3 months ago that had a Prudential annuity that they bought in 2015. They deferred it for 10 years. They were ready to take income. We showed them that, hey, you would get $2,500 more a year in your lifetime income if you just rolled over the Prudential annuity over to this new annuity with Nationwide, and you would get better upside potential. You'd be out of the market. They were in a variable annuity, so you don't have to worry about losing money, and you'd pay less in fees. And overall, your bigger picture is just better off. This couple was looking for income for the rest of both the husband and wife's lifetime. So 2 lifetimes for the price of one. So it made sense to make that replacement. You have to fill out this annuity replacement form, and you have to basically show all the skeleton of the annuity. What's the surrender charges? What's the lifetime income amount that you were expecting? All these different features of this annuity. Then you're putting in the replacement form, the new annuity, and then you have an explanation of why you're making the replacement. And then when the application goes up to the suitability team, they understand why you suggested replacing the annuity, and they'll determine whether it's a suitable replacement or not a suitable replacement. Okay. And that's the whole point. The whole point is to make sure that it is suitable for you, the consumer, and suitable for the insurance company to sell you the annuity. And this way, both parties are happy. You got any questions about this? Leave a comment below or contact us over at the Annuity Expert. And we can stress test your potential replacement. If you want a second opinion, hey, this new replacement may actually not be the best annuity replacement for you. So if you want to get that, we provide that no cost to you, no obligation. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll catch you on the next video. See you.